guys! Today we're making slime and all we need is glue, staff flow, and food coloring. Okay, so what you're gonna need is glue. I'm using Elmer's school glue, and then some staff flow. I'm gonna be calling it activator, and then food coloring is optional. And I'll also be using a bowl, in my case a measuring cup. And I'm also using a plastic fork. Now for the next part, I'm gonna do 2/3 of glue and 1/3 activator. The size amount doesn't matter as long as 2/3 of it is glue and 1/3 is activator. Okay, so now you're gonna grab a piece and try to see the consistency of it. You can check whether you need more glue or you need more activator. In my case, it was still a little sticky, so I added more activator. And we added a little bit too much activator, so I ended up putting the rest of it back inside the bowl. When you add activator, you wanna do a little bit at a time. Since we accidentally added too much activator, now what's going to happen is that the glue or the slime is going to end up really stringy. It's going to be stringy and there's going to be a lot of holes. It's not going to hold together very well. All you need to do is keep kneading. By now you may have noticed that if your slime is too stringy or tough or breaks easily, that means there's too much activator in it. And if there's too much glue in your slime, then that means it's very sticky to your fingers. But before adding any other substance, first knead as much as you can. Okay, so at this point you can tell that it's pretty good. It's holding still. It's actually a little bit gluey, but it's okay. I'm just gonna leave it on the side and work on my next slime. So for this next batch of slime, I'm just gonna be adding 1 drop of food coloring to make it colorful. If you wanna make your slime brighter, then just add 2 drops. Then you just start mixing. And since I had already made this slime earlier, and with too much activator, it's gonna be a little stringy. Since this piece had too much activator, I'm just gonna get the piece that was on the side and was more of a glue consistency. So I'm gonna combine these two together. So the slime is looking great now, but I decided to add just a little bit more glue to make it a little bit more stretchy. As you can tell, the slime is already looking a little sticky, and I also decided to add a little bit more glue, which was not the best idea, but that's okay because this is just a learning experience. So this is what it looks like when there's too much glue in the slime. To fix this, I'm just gonna get the slime and put it on the side where there's activator, and I'm just gonna distribute the activator through the slime. Feel free to add another dab to get it to the consistency that you want. From here, I'm just gonna finish making this last batch and then combine it with the other batch that I already have set aside. This last step is optional. I'm just adding some beads, but you can add beads or little gooey animals, anything that will catch your eye in slime.